Welcome to my travel vlog. Again, we're going to have a short road trip for Semana Santa going to Spain. So papunta tayo guys sa Espanya. Abangan!
Wala. Good morning. Andito tayo ngayon sa Avila. Itong Avila. Parang apelyido ni Lening Avila. Mayra. Ayan, nandito ako sa loob ng World City. Normal naman dito. Yung city sa loob. Kaya kala ko iba sa loob. Kasi meron sa France, sa Carcassonne. Yan dito iba. Talagang normal na city. O may mga bahay. Repair na. Yan.
Alam nyo guys, pag alis ko ng France, ang baon ko lang ay mga pang summer dress kasi alam ko mainit dito sa Spain. Pero nagbaon din ako ng dudon at saka yung scarf na pang winter. Kaya ready ako, mayroon akong pang tag-ulan, raincoat, mayroon din akong panglamig. Pagdating namin, ang lamig-lamig, sobrang lamig at saka mahangin, ang hangin-hangin, ang lamig ng hangin. So, kailangan talaga para hindi magkasakit, balot ang sarili. Kaya, lagi akong nakalagay ng makapal na scarf sa liig para hindi ako magkasakit. So, ngayon papunta kami ng Avila dahil sa aming tour guide, sa aming book guide na dito daw sa Avila ito ay isang Roman antique na walled city, yung city na Intramuros na ang buong city ay pinapalibutan ng wall yung nung araw pa during Roman times. So abangan guys, pupunta tayo, excited na rin ako papunta sa Avila. Interesado din ako dahil yung aking mga pamangkin, ang mother nila ay Avila ang apelyido. So ayan, gumawa ako ng vlog dito papunta ng Walled City. Ayan, nakikita na yung wall, malayo pa kami. Yan yung wall, pader ng buong city. Pero Roman style talaga ang wall na yan. Hindi yan sira, pero inalagaan nila para may maintenance para hindi masira. Kaya maraming turista ang pumupunta dito sa Walled City. Roman Empire pa yata itong Walled City. Avila is the most populated municipality of the province of Avila, located in the autonomous community of Castile and Leon in Spain, located in the center of the Iberian Peninsula to the north of the Sistema Central. It lies on the right bank of the Adaja and an elevation of over 1,130 meters above sea level. It is the highest provincial capital in Spain. The history ng city of Avila, founded in the 11th century to protect the Spanish territories from the Moors. The city of saints and stones has maintained its medieval austerity and is the birthplace of Saint Therese and burial place of the Grand Inquisitor Torquemada. Itong Avila ay famous for a number of things, with the three most cited being that it is the highest provincial capital in Spain at 1,132 meters, more than 3,700 feet above sea level. It has spectacular and complete medieval city walls, and it is the birthplace of one of the most revered and influential Catholic saints, Therese. Meron ditong ginawang film dito sa Avila. Paul Verhoeven used them to recreate the Besieged city, and Lords of Steel, Richard Lester made it look like the Rome of Golfos of Rome, and of course, they were conveniently bombed by the enormous cannon in Pride and Passion, a Stanley Kramer blockbuster that mobilized 5,000 extras from the province to the film. Ayan, dito daw ginawa yung film na ang titled ay Lords of Steel. Ayan, at 5,000 ang mga extra na mga tao na hinire nila during filming ng Lords of Steel. Hindi ako nakapanood ng film na yan. Parang narinig ko lang, kaya hindi ako masyadong nakanood sa sine ng Lords of Steel. Dito sa Avila, ang restaurants in Avila serve homemade food like patatas revolcunas, dish made with potatoes, chorizo, and bacon, and meat roasted grilled or charcoal grilled. The star dishes though are suckling pig and T-bone steak, but you'll also want to test good fish caught in the rivers Turmis and Alberti. Anong hindi natin alam yung Turmis na yan? Yan yung pangalan ng isda nila rito. So, yan yung sa loob ng katedral. Ayan, maganda dyan eh. Yan din yung, ito rin yung sa kanila sa loob ng Church My Garden. Kaya, nakapanood ako dyan. Nakapunta pala ako sa loob ng tinatawag nilang na cloatra. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Avila Cathedral was built. Most of the cathedral that can be seen today was built between the 12th and 14th centuries. During this time, the trend moved from Romanesque to Gothic style, and the transition can be clearly seen in the interior. Visit all the Cathedral Museum. How important is the cathedral in Avila? Avila Cathedral stands as both church and fortress, and its apse, known locally as the Simoro, and set in the walls, is the most imposing turret of the East. Wall considered as the first Gothic cathedral in Spain, it stands on the remains of an original building that was devoted to El Salvador, the Savior. What famous here in Avila? Avila is famous for a number of things, with the three most cited being that it is the highest provincial capital in Spain at 1,132 meters, more than 3,700 feet above sea level. It has spectacular and complete medieval city walls, and it is the birthplace of one of the most revered and influential Catholic, Saint Therese. So ayan guys, ang haba pala ng istorya nito ng Roman city na to eh. There are 5 interesting facts about Saint Therese of Avila. Number 1, she attempted to become martyr at age 6 as children saint. She was, number 2, she was instrumental in reforming the Carmelite order. And number 3, she wrote several spiritual classics. Number 4, she emphasized the importance of joy and the Christian life. And number 5, she is one of the 4 female doctors of the church. So ayan yung 5 things na ginawa ni Saint Therese. So ayan yung short visit namin. Dumaan lang kami bago kami pumunta sa Segovia kasi galing kami sa Valladolid, and then dumaan kami sa Avila para mag-tour. Sandali lang kami rito. And then on the way again. So thank you for watching guys. See you on my next travel vlog. Ciao, ciao.